So I've been hearing a lot of things about the new feature in Adobe Photoshop, which is the generative fill, something that harness the power of artificial intelligence. Um, so I'm gonna try it today. This is the new Photoshop beta, um, and the way you're gonna do it is I'm having a photo that I took in Helsinki recently. Um, let's try to you can either right click and go to generative fill here, or you can go to the window contextual taskbar and do generative fill here. um, let's say I want a sea monster and hit generate. Obviously it's gonna take a while. Wow, it changed the water too. It's pretty good, and yes, the reflection is pretty good too. Wow. Okay. Let's try mountain range. Add a mountain range behind the object in here. Okay, let's try another one. Let's do Godzilla. It's not really Godzilla. Yeah, give me some monster, but it's not really Godzilla. Probably because of copyright reasons. But it's pretty good. I gotta give it to. Let's try another photo. Okay, so this is me in Helsinki. Um, First I will select myself. Right, and then invert it. And now I would like to be in the street of Tokyo. Tokyo night street. Wow. I have to say it's not bad. It's pretty magical, to be honest. Wow. Saved me a lot of time. It's pretty realistic. It's very nice. It's very nice. AI is coming for my job.